Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everybody, my name is Nabila Farade and I'm a representative in my group. So today in this video I will be a presenter and my partner is Awal Demina Marjono as a video editor. So I will tell you what can we get in intercultural communication course that we have taken before, and we will make a video to fulfill our learning course assignment. So the topic that we have discussed in intercultural communication course is complexity of cross-cultural studies. So there are several learning objectives. First is how a culture created, maintained, and developed, and second is to confirm the concept of cultural blind spots. So, how culture is created? Culture is created from habits that are developed and accepted by the community. And there are four factors that can create a culture. First is action and behaviors of leaders. Like for an example, like every morning a leader always greet his students, and because of that all of students always greet each other, so it will create a culture of greeting every morning. And second is what leaders pay attention to, like a headmaster or leader of the school wants to bring the name of the school to international level through competitions and its achievements. So he tells the students to make a routine tutor, for example, like every Friday night. So it will create a culture of tutor every Friday night. And then what get rewarded and what get punished, like the teachers, if they get a lot of attention or likes from the students, it will prove that they are successful as the teachers. Vice versa, when they are too fierce and harsh to students, it will make less attention and likes from the students, so it will create a culture of attitude that must be done to students. And the last is allocation of attention resources. Like to create a quality school, the school will look for examples of other quality schools, so that there are several habits that can be adopted. And the next slide is about how culture is maintained. Maintenance culture defines the values, way of thinking, behavior, perception, and the underlying assumption of any person or group, society. And there are four factors that can maintain a culture. First is ASA, or attraction, selection, attrition. Attraction, for example, like someone who has a competitive nature may feel comfortable and prefer to work in a company where interpersonal competition is the norm. Selection, for example, many companies are hiring people for fit with their culture as opposed to fit with a certain job. And attrition is mismatch is an important reason for employee turnover. And second is new employee onboarding. It refers to the process by which new employees learn the attitudes, knowledge, skills, and behaviors needed to function effectively in an organization. And third is leadership, like for example, when leaders motivate employees through inspiration, corporate culture tends to be more supportive and people oriented. And the last is reward system. The company culture is shaped by the type of reward system used in the organization and the kinds of behaviors and outcomes it chooses to reward and punish. And the next slide, how culture is developed. Culture is developed based on the expose of civilization towards globalization. And this is the example of blind spot. What is blind spot? Blind spot is the information and practice embedded within our own cultural behavior, practices our cultural mind, action, or motivation. And maybe I will tell you the other define that an unidentified knowledge of our own culture, behavior, and practice within organizations. So, like the example is there are three people with different country and culture, and then they fused so they can communicate each other. Maybe that's all from us. I'm sorry for the mistakes, and thank you for attention.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.